Hey everyone, welcome back to Cute Easy Draw channel. Today we are diving deep, literally into the mysterious depth of the ocean to draw something truly massive and awe-inspiring. This is SCP-169, also known as the Leviathan. Imagine a crater so big, it could be mistaken for an island. Scientists have tried to track it, but it's almost impossible to get a full view. Let's bring this giant to life with our drawing. We'll start with the head, giving it a serpent-like appearance. Imagine a mix of sea dragon and a mythical beast. The Leviathan is estimated to be between 2,000 and 8,000 kilometers in length. This immense size makes it one of the largest SCP entities in the SCP Foundation archives. Add some scales and themes to make it look more scary. Remember, SCP-169 is a creature of legend, so feel free to get creative. And there you have it, our very own Leviathan. Hope you enjoyed drawing this colossal creature with me. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more fun and easy drawing tutorials. Happy drawing!